stop. Don't buy a car in 2026 until you hear this. Because some of the most popular cars in the US right now are turning into complete financial disasters for owners. And the crazy part? Most people don't even realize it until it's too late. Repairs go up, resale drops, and suddenly that perfect deal becomes a money trap. So in the next few minutes, I'll show you the 5 cars you should never buy in 2026, based on real owner regrets, not marketing hype. And number 1 is so bad, even mechanics avoid it.
Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're planning to buy a car in 2026, this video could literally save you thousands of dollars. We're not talking about opinions or brand hate. This is based on reliability data, repair costs, depreciation trends, and real owner complaints across the US. So let's start with number 5. At number 5, we have a compact SUV that's everywhere on US roads. On the outside, it looks perfect. Modern design, touchscreen interior, and strong marketing behind it. But here's the problem. The moment warranty ends, owners start reporting expensive suspension issues, electrical glitches, and costly repairs. And in America, where parts and labor aren't cheap, that becomes a serious financial burden. What starts as a family SUV slowly turns into a repair cycle you can't escape. At number 4, we have a very popular compact sedan. This car sells in huge numbers because of its brand reputation. But the reality is different. It performs fine in the city, but struggles on highways, loaded drives, and long-term usage. And the biggest issue? Depreciation. In the US used car market, this model loses value much faster than competitors, which means when you try to sell it, you take a big loss. Now this is where things get interesting. At number 3, we have entry-level luxury cars. These cars feel amazing at first. Premium interior, smooth drive, luxury badge. But after a few years, reality hits hard. Expensive oil changes, costly parts, and limited service centers in many US states. And once warranty is gone, even small repairs can cost as much as an entire monthly payment. This is why many owners regret buying luxury too early. At number 2, we enter the electric vehicle world. Now, EVs are the future in the US, no doubt about that. But not all EVs are built the same. Some budget electric cars struggle with real-world range drop, especially in cold weather states like New York or Chicago. And the biggest concern? Battery replacement costs. Because once the battery degrades, replacement can cost thousands of dollars, sometimes close to the value of the car itself. And finally, number 1, the most dangerous category. These are cars that look like a perfect deal in 2026. They're heavily advertised, heavily discounted, and sell in huge numbers. But behind the scenes, owners are reporting engine issues, electrical failures, and rising repair frequency after just a few years. And here's the real problem. When too many used buyers avoid a car, its resale value crashes. So you end up stuck with a car that no one wants and expensive repairs you didn't expect. That's the definition of a financial trap. So these were 5 cars you should think twice about before buying in 2026. Because in the US market, a car isn't just transportation. It's a long-term financial decision. One wrong choice can cost you thousands over time. If you want, I can show you the 5 most reliable cars in 2026 that actually save you money long-term. Just comment "safe cars" below, and I'll break it down next.